All right, crew, so welcome back, guys, and welcome back for another awesome video that we're gonna have today. So today we're here at Cruising for Kids, over here at Mike Grubb's, basically his big old compound here. We're doing his annual car event show for the kids, for Cruising for Kids, guys, and we're gonna walk around, we're gonna enjoy ourselves, we're gonna probably eat a lot of hot dogs and get a lot of film of a lot of good cars, guys, and hopefully today we'll be able to do 1 or 2 interviews with some of our friends if we find some, guys. But today I'm just gonna show you the truck here and tell you a little bit about Cruising for Kids. Basically what it is, guys, that you know, we come here, you know, once a year, and we also do several car shows throughout the year. Mike Grubb is one of the, I believe he's like the president of Cruising for Kids, and it's all about the kids. It's a lot of kids that has cancer, so we do these car events and stuff to raise money for that cause and stuff. That's why I always say one thing that I do not mind going to a car show is for Cruising for Kids. I just don't go to a lot of car shows just to go to them, but whenever Mike put on a show, I always try to make sure I'm there, guys, because it's always for a good cause. So anyway, we're gonna walk around today. Hopefully my drone won't mess up on me today like it did a couple of weeks ago, and hopefully we can get some drone shots of all of his property and all the nice cars as well that we'll see today. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and we're gonna get some better pictures, and I'm gonna show you the trailer for Cruising for Kids as well. And I forgot, I also have to give my donation for my little fee here to get put on this little trailer. I haven't done that, so I need to do that, update it. So you got a lot of sponsors, that's good. A lot of new sponsors. How y'all doing? What's going on, Skip?
What you doing, buddy?
Just trying to get a little footage in today. A lot of Volkswagens out here today.
No, I've never seen it. This big fella, he needs to knock the top off. Oh, you got to please with the top off.
Oh, I like it.
You get cloth off. But I wanted the hard top for the look.
Yeah.
Who you living at now?
Breakhouse. You know, I bought over the years.
All right, guys, so we're up here at Gary's old car. We got Chris's. These guys got some awesome vehicles, man. But before we get going with them, we're gonna go ahead and do an aerial shot and hope you guys enjoy it. All right, guys, so we just got back with the area shop. Hope you guys enjoy the area shop, man. There's so many cars out here. Very beautiful place. Mike has an awesome place out here that he does once a year, his car show. So we're gonna go ahead and we got several more rows, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and get going. I may not do any interviews because there's just so much out here to see today. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. It's very hot. I had to go sit down. Felt like I was about to pass out earlier, but I got a lot of water in me and stuff, and let's go ahead and keep going, guys. Hey, everybody up here got it going on. Y'all say, Chris, where's Mater? Everybody want to know where's Mater.
Oh, how much time you got?
You got it back, didn't you?
I got it back, and well, I ended up selling it again a couple months later. So I just tell you, I borrowed it for a while.
You don't know what you want to do with Mater.
I don't know.
Are you done? Are you done now?
I'm all done with Mater. Mater started sounding funny in the morning.
Really?
It got me nervous.
Y'all say hey to everybody.
How you doing?
You two family.
All right.
No. Hi.
This is a different one, Chrysler. That thing got like 3 different colors in it. You guys remember old Chris there? Chris, he's the one that had to Mater. It was a custom C10 truck like this one here. And this one, that's his truck as well. So he said he actually sold that C10 and he brought it back and then he sold it again. I told him he don't know what he wants to do with it. He just needs to keep it. It's a nice truck. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do a few more walk arounds. Man, there's so much out here. And this is a unique vehicle here. Look at that there. Got an old Mack truck. That's cool. All right, guys, so we're here with Derek Carrier. I'm just gonna walk around. If he wants to tell me a little bit about it, we can. We'll get it on camera and everything, but this is a nice little cute beauty. I like it, something different. Mr. Carrier gonna tell, man, look at that. That's pretty clean, man. And you said that's the original one?
All right.
So tell me about that.
It's a
about a little bit.
239 flathead.
239 flathead?
Yeah.
And you said
V8.
And V, how long did you have you had it now?
I bought it in 1994.
1994.
Yeah, I retired a few years back. I finally got started on fixing it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I just put the original grill in it about 2 months ago.
oh man, that looked good.
I finally found one that's a 49 that was chrome.
Yeah.
It's a little bit spotty, but I still got a pretty good deal on the grill.
Kind of remind me of a Studebaker.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
It sure does.
But all this right here, that's not chrome. That's down to the bare metal. And I put clear coat on it.
So it won't rust.
That's bare metal.
Okay.
That's bare metal. I took all this off and went to bare metal. Well, you can see what's what there.
Yeah, I like that.
Even,
I mean, that's how the original looked too.
yeah, it's the same size and everything.
Tailpipe, but it's still in there.
Well, they're up near the bottom.
Hey, that's old Count. That's old Count. Everybody on
That's that
YouTube,
ugly guy.
they know old Counts now. That's Count's brother.
Yeah, that's
It's old
him.
Bill.
Yeah, he's the pooty one.
Yeah,
Bill. He's crazy.
it's a good name.
Oh, I'll talk to you, Bill.
Yeah, all right, bud.
Hey, man.
What's wrong?
Well, I appreciate you walking me around on
Well,
it.
you know,
Yep, I'm sure everybody will like it, man. Something different.
I used to.
Like all them Impalas back here, Bel Airs. All right, you need to tell me about this old beauty. You know anything about it? I know you do.
Let her tell you it's her dad. It's her dad's wife.
Well, first of all, if you don't mind, what's your name?
Joy.
Joy, my name is Chris Jones.
Hi, Chris.
Chris, are you all right today?
No.
No, what's wrong?
Well, my dad just passed away, and this was his truck.
Oh, man. Thank you. Well, I tell you what, it'll be a privilege and an honor if you let me film it and I put it on my channel. That way everybody can see your dad's truck. How about that?
He rebuilt it in the late 80s or early 90s.
Okay.
And he put late model running gears under it, and he chopped at the top so all the windshields are the same
All around?
same height as the back one originally was.
Okay. And what was your dad's name?
His name was Pee-wee.
Pee-wee.
Pee-wee Barton.
Okay.
And he was in Detroit. And he passed away 2.5 months ago.
Oh, man.
He actually left the truck to my stepdad
Okay.
because my dad knew that my stepdad would appreciate it and do this kind of stuff with it.
That's
and
awesome.
Keep it in the family.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Well, I'm sure he's proud of it. And I tell you what, you seem like you know a lot about it and stuff. So, I mean, I know it means a lot to you. So,
We've got pictures from when he originally bought it and every step of the way what he did to fix it up.
so how long has this been in the family?
Since the late 80s.
Wow, man. So I know it does mean a lot then. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to walk around and take some nice pictures of it. And we'll put it on the channel for them. How about that? I tell you what, guys, so it's a privilege to come out here and film some of these old cars. And a lot of these cars got a lot of sentimental value and stuff. Just like the lady was just telling us about her father that recently passed and stuff, and telling us about that vehicle. So I hope that she watches the video, and I hope she enjoys it and everything once we put it out there. Hopefully tomorrow we can get it out there. So I really appreciate her letting us film that and stuff. And if any of you guys want me to come by and do a specialty on your vehicle or whatever, your car or truck, by all means stop me. I'm very approachable. Let me know and we can figure out something and do a special piece on your vehicle. So if you see me at one of these car shows, just stop me and we'll get to doing it. So let's go ahead. We probably got about 2 more rows, guys, and then we're gonna call it a day.
Alright, you moving the stuff in? We gotta go get this.
That big old blower. All right, guys, so hey, we have walked and walked and walked, and I may have missed a few rows, but man, you guys just don't understand how hot it is out here. But anyway, I believe that's going to be it for the car show, guys. We got a couple other car shows that we may go to this evening. They're about to start a auction over here, and they'll probably be very loud, so I think this is going to be it for the video. Don't forget, guys, if you guys really like these videos, write down some comments below if there's certain things that you would like to see. If you really like my channel, like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is a local car show that they have once a year, and everybody have a really good time. It's just so hot out here today. I tell you, I've been walking and walking. I need to get some water in me. So anyway, guys, like I tell everybody, this is going to be the end of this video. And like I always say, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.